Get It From Mike. I am Michael Wall, also known as Mr. Fun. This is April the 2nd, 2019, and we're out here in Redondo Beach at Perry Park about to unbox the Spark drone. I've got 2 GoPro cameras running, and I don't know which angle is going to get it the best, but we're going to unbox it here and show you some of the features. Won't take too long. We got the movie coming, the Black Helen movie, so I figured getting some drone shots would be really cool for the film. And also, since we're making a film, I figured we might as well expand into a production company. So Black Helen is a tentative name for the production company as well. BlackHelen.com. So this is the Spark drone. Here's the control, and this is going to be so dope. This is the controller. Hey, what's up? I'm right down the street at the park. I'll be there in a minute. All right, bye. So there's a controller. This is the some cords charging materials and books and stuff like that, instructions and warranty, I'm sure. So we've got that, and last but not least, the actual drone. This is it. It's really kind of small. I don't know which way you can see it better. It's really kind of small, but it has a 1080p, really good camera. This is like the best entry-level drone that is on the market. It's the Spark from DJI, and now it's mine. Get it from Mike with the Spark drone unbox session. Okay, well, enjoy everyone. This is Mr. Fun. Get it from Mike. We'll see you soon. All the best. Look out for Black Helen the film. Don't drink and drive. Pre-set up, set up.